You know, I'm gonna do the notches and then I'll come along here. You can see the rough edges. I want to get it straighten all that up, and you know you can see it here too. Now they'd have probably left it like this because all those jaggers are better cutting tools than when you refine it too much. So we'll start notching. You can see how this side may be in a little further than here, but it'll eventually all set it just enough that get a good bite on it. So this one's a little higher. And what you want to do is kind of, I'll show you what, you want to kind of make it look like you're punching it, and even the pressure that you put on there, you kind of want to punch it instead of, this is how a lot do, and you push in. You don't want to push in, you want to set it on there enough to get a little bite, then kind of go straight down or push it, because if you push this way, push in this way, it'll break it. Now watch me break. And when I do the, I'll show you on this notch here and fight a little bit, because any burrs, I don't want those catching. When you're pushing on that notch and it's not wanting to go, then you pull it up, because what that'll do is it'll just release a flake off of the inside, just like if you're taking a flake off here. That was not a good one. Oh, look at it. That sea flake. Okay, so that I got my tool is coming in, and I don't want to have it be like that, because the more round that it gets right in through here, the more pressure you have to put on there to get the notch to come out, and that's when you break it. So you don't want that thing rounded. Okay. think I'll file it a little bit. This is because I could probably get it, but I don't want a big wide bulb coming out. All you need is enough to just to break the edges loose. There's the teeth like they came out. Now from here on, I'm going to file it a little bit because it just releases easier, so you don't have that big bulb coming out. And I'll file this a little bit too. Another reason to file them, when your notches, one notch may be coming up too far, the other one coming down too far. So this one is going up too far, so I'm going to notch it on the lower side of my notch. That way it will level it out with more even with the other one. But don't worry about giving yourself enough room in between the opening, because it won't show up that much. Yeah, that's the little ones. I want a little more. I don't like to leave many burrs inside there too, because they can catch and it'll break your notch. You don't go far more because you don't want to break it. That's a tough one. I must have released it, hit it a couple times. It probably started a couple flakes and finally got below it. So I got a big bulb. That was really a big bulb that came out of there. I think about one more there. I see now what is going on. See there, I have this line coming down through there and I didn't know. Probably holding that sea flake. Even though I had a double wide gap there, I even take more out just to make it look a little better. That this side here is a little narrower than the one down here on this end. See, this is a little, that's going to help it a little bit. That side should have one more. How's that look? Pretty good for an old man.